Jerry back with @TheatricallyJerry. I'm doing a quick update on ULANZI's Filmog. This is their small portable wireless fog machine. They were doing a battery replacement program. They are no longer doing that. They deemed it unnecessary. They said the batteries that are shipped with it, which are right here, are safe enough. These are the 18650 lithium batteries. However, the people that did sign up for it when they had the email sent out, such as myself, we did receive our replacement batteries. They come in this really cool little ULANZI box. That's it. It didn't come with a protective cover or anything. And we're gonna go ahead and open this up just so we could see what it looks like. There we go. So these 18650s are the replacement to the old 18650s. Let's see what they look like, what the difference is. So these are the new ones. These are the old ones. All right, so here's our old ones on the left, and here's a new one on the right. So I don't see a whole lot of difference. Actually, I do here on the ends. It seems to be a much more larger protective plastic ring around the battery as opposed to the old one. And that is on the positive end. The positive end on this one, the old one, doesn't really show that. And the bottom of the old one and the bottom of the new one. So the same for the negative. So there's not a whole lot of difference. I'm not sure what was going on when people mentioned that they were exploding or the protective coating was coming off of them, causing an issue. But the old battery here, I don't see any protective plastic coating falling off of it. The 18650s do have a lot of safety features built in, so that's why they're the most trusted for higher powered lithium ion batteries and rechargeables. So I don't see a difference, but I do appreciate ULANZI for sending out replacement batteries just in case something did happen. They do back their products, so I like to see that safety is of the utmost importance to ULANZI. And thank you guys for watching this little short video on replacement batteries for the Filmog. If you like this video, go ahead and do a thumbs up. If you enjoy this kind of content, you can subscribe to my channel @TheatricallyJerry. I do review a lot of stuff like this. This would be considered an atmospheric. I review stage and DJ lighting and also equipment. So if that interests you, subscribe to @TheatricallyJerry. If you do have a comment about the ULANZI Acer Filmog, go ahead and comment down below, and I will respond to it. I respond to all comments. If you have a question about anything else, go ahead and also comment down below, and I'll try my best to respond to that as well. Thank you guys for watching.